Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can insert a code block into your text documents on Goodnotes. So let us dive into this. In the first step, launch the Goodnotes app on your desktop computer or laptop. In the next step, navigate to the given text document. I will go with this one here. In the next step, guys, scroll down and click into the given line where you'd like to place the code block. Let me skip to the next line by pressing enter. And here it says type a paragraph, enter the command / and then code block. You will see the advanced element suggestion already listed here so that you don't have to enter the entire word or command, but instead click into code block. And that is going to give you the option here to enter your code block. For example, I don't know which coding language you're using, but JavaScript or enter your code block here. And you may switch between plain text and the given coding language here. Which one did I mention? JavaScript. So it will be here, or JSON, or HTML, and so on and so forth. You may copy also the given code block to your clipboard here, and it will, as you can see, if I scroll further down, it will remain here. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.